Krita and Clip Studio Paint are two leading digital art applications. Krita is a free open-source program focused on painting and free-form creativity. Clip Studio Paint is a professional-grade application specializing in comics, manga, and detailed illustration with extensive brush and vector support. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both applications. Krita is a free, open-source digital painting software designed for artists who want a powerful, customizable tool without cost. It offers a wide range of brushes, stabilizers for smooth strokes, and an intuitive interface tailored for concept art, texture painting, and matte painting. Krita supports advanced layer management, HDR painting, and animation features, making it versatile for various art styles. Its open-source nature encourages community-driven development and plugin integration. However, Krita can have a steeper learning curve for beginners and sometimes struggles with performance on very large files or complex vector tasks. It is ideal for artists who prioritize painting and want a cost-effective, flexible solution. Clip Studio Paint is a professional-grade drawing application widely favored by comic artists, illustrators, and animators. It excels in providing specialized tools such as vector layers, perspective rulers, and a vast library of customizable brushes designed to mimic traditional media. The software supports frame-by-frame animation and offers features tailored for manga creation, including panel layout and speech bubble tools. Clip Studio Paint operates on a one-time purchase or subscription model, providing regular updates and extensive asset libraries. Its interface balances power and accessibility, suiting both beginners and advanced users. Limitations include occasional complexity in mastering all features and the need for a license, which may deter casual users. Key comparison points. Cost. Krita is completely free and open source. Clip Studio Paint requires a one-time purchase or subscription. Primary focus. Krita focuses on painting, concept art, texture painting, and free-form creativity. Clip Studio Paint focuses on comics, manga, illustration, and animation with specialized tools. Brush Engine both offer extensive brush customization, but Clip Studio Paint has a larger asset library for community-created brushes. Vector tools. Krita has limited vector capabilities. Clip Studio Paint offers advanced vector layers and precise vector manipulation. Comic tools. Krita lacks dedicated comic and manga features, such as panel layout and speech bubble tools. Clip Studio Paint includes these as core features. Performance. Krita may struggle with very large files or complex vector tasks. Clip Studio Paint handles large files and complex illustrations reliably. Learning curve. Krita has a steeper learning curve for beginners. Clip Studio Paint balances power and accessibility. Recommendations. Choose Krita if you want a powerful, free, and flexible painting tool focused on digital art and animation without the constraints of licensing fees. It is best suited for concept artists, texture painters, and digital painters who prioritize brush variety and customization over comic-specific tools. Choose Clip Studio Paint when your work demands professional comic and illustration tools, precise vector support, and animation features backed by regular updates. It is best suited for comic artists, manga creators, illustrators, and animators who need specialized tools for storytelling and detailed artwork. Conclusion. Krita excels in freeform painting and offers unmatched flexibility at zero cost but lags in vector precision and comic-specific tools. Clip Studio Paint excels in comic and manga creation with advanced vector layers, panel management, and a vast asset library, but requires a paid license. The choice depends on whether your focus is painting and experimentation or professional comic and illustration work.